Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If you can't tell by the title of today's video or by the extra large plant that's on the side of me, we are repotting my Monstera deliciosa for the third time, I believe. It's a little bit out of control. For one, the pot is too heavy and I'm tired of moving it around because as a plant owner, I'm sure you guys can relate with moving your plants around a lot. It's just a fun part about owning plants. I like to move my plants around, and this is a plant that I would love to move around, but it's so heavy. It's also not properly staked up. I have a wooden moss pole in there with some, I think there's cocoa coir wrapped around it. I'm gonna have to take that out. And I'm pretty sure the wood is probably rotting in the LECA right now. So along with the repotting, I also am going to be staking it up on a moss / LECA pole that I made today. Guys, I made this huge. You can't even see how huge it is. But hold on, let me stand up. So I am 5'6.5" and it's up to the top of my chest. And I just stuffed a bunch of moss and LECA in here, mostly because I didn't have enough moss to make this whole entire pole. And I'm sure you know that moss rots in water. So I stuffed the bottom of the pole that's going to be in the pot just to prevent, I think things are flying out of this and going in my mouth. Just to prevent any rottage. Is this too high up? I don't know. So I did get her a new pot that's not as heavy. Let's do this. This plant has grown so many leaves since I potted it into this. Oh my god, what is this, April? I literally was doing anything to stake that thing up. Alright, toss that to the side. I am making a mess in this living room. I'm so scared to pull the moss pole out because I know it's rotted at the bottom. Like, ugh, gross. And I'm also afraid to cut these off because it was hard to get it on these. Are you guys ready to pull the moss pole out? Because I'm not. Ew, look at. And these are all falling over, so let's get these out. Oh my god, this is so dangerous. Why am I doing this? Oh my god, these things are so stuck in here. I just want to chop it off, honestly. But I'm not gonna do that. Okay. How about I get these out of the pot off camera? And then I'll come back. Because this is gonna be stressful. And I'm probably gonna make a mess, so I'll be right back.
2,000 years later.
So I got them all out of the pot. I'm pretty sure I lost some roots, but it's okay. The next thing we're going to do before we put the plant into this pot is put the moss pole into this pot as best as we can. I feel like these videos are never filmed well, but I'm sorry, this is a bit... Shit. There's some LECA at the bottom. I was trying to find... Where did it go? Oh no. There's a plug for this pot. Where is it though? I'm looking in the pot because it feels like as soon as I put the LECA in the drainage hole blocker, it's gonna fall out. And I can't find any super glue, so I guess we're doing this anyway. Thought I saw a bug. All types of shit in here. Honestly, I'm pouring some LECA in here first. My god, there's so many roots in here. So what that's telling me is we're probably gonna have a lot of leaf loss, maybe? I don't know. So I put about that much LECA in there. Where did I put the pole? I keep moving the pole because it's so large and in charge. But now I'm taking the LECA end and I'm just gonna do that. It's not that sturdy yet, but I'm hoping with more LECA in the pot that it's going to be just fine. This is all so much harder than I anticipated. Actually, no, it's not. I definitely anticipated this. I'm just cutting an old macrame This is usually what I use to tie my plants onto the pole. It's a few strings. Guys, this is a mess. You can't even see what I'm doing. Okay. So the Monstera are on the floor, on the side of me, and we're gonna do one by one. Okay, which one are we doing first? Let's do this one, because it's closest to me. My God, my freaking living room is such a mess, guys. Please don't, come on, I don't want this shit to drop all over me. Okay, boom, yay. We got one in. So we're going to just start tying it to the pole because the plant is just a lot easier to maneuver when it's attached to the pole, obviously. I'm so sorry for the terrible angles, but I'm doing my best. This is hard to do, so it's definitely hard to film. Definitely gonna need more string. Luckily we have some. This plant was literally about to tip over any day, and it started pushing out a new leaf, which was stressing me out because it was about to tip over as it was. So I definitely needed to do something about it, and today was that day. I almost didn't film this because I didn't have a pot for it, but I got up this morning and I went to Job Lot and I grabbed this cute little pot for it, well, this cute big pot for it. I did not want to have it in ceramic anymore because that shit is heavy. No thank you. Oh, this is the big one. It's okay, girl. It's okay. Yeah, she made it in the bunch. Okay. Yes. I'm so happy I'm finally doing this, guys. Okay, we got the next Monstera. I'm so happy this is moving along. I thought this was gonna take hours. This one's a little bit harder, guys. Let's stick this leaf under this one. Okay. Oh shit. Why am I leaning the pole? I think I should put it like this. Yeah, that works. Honestly, my goal for this plant was to make it so that it's not poking out in every direction, but it doesn't look like that's gonna work. You really never know how big your Monstera is gonna get. I'll insert a picture from when I first got her. She was not big and she had no fenestrations. This is the last one, guys. Well, you can't really see it, but I have the last one in my left hand. And I think, where are we gonna stick you? I think we're gonna stick them on this side because I don't think I stuck any. Let's just try to swing you around. Yeah. And then you do this, then this, then this, then this, then. Oh my God, my hair is literally in my eye. Okay, come on. Come on. So let's just try to. Okay. Okay. Boom. Oh gosh, this is hard. I can't wait to pour the rest of the LECA in. Oh my God, my hair is tickling my nose right now. Ah! Oh my Jesus Christ. Finally got all the Monstera into the pot and I'm just going to backfill it now. I really don't want to use this nasty ass LECA. Like I really don't. Ew! It has so many roots in it. Why? How did I do that? That's what I really want to know, is how did I manage to do this? Ugh! Whatever. Oh my gosh. I think I'm just gonna pour it into one side and just shake the pot and maneuver. Oh shit, bro. I think that's good because all of the roots are covered. Guys, I literally don't have any more LECA, but it's okay, I think. And this is a little bit crooked, but I think it's because there's a space between, oh, see, I need to stop doing that. I think it's because there's a space between somewhere where the pole is. Maybe I'll end up sticking a stick like on the side of it like some people do to help it stand up. But other than that, I think I'm done. I'm gonna put it on this desk over here and give you guys a nice visual of what it looks like. Let's see how heavy it is. Oh, nowhere even close to the other one. Oh shit. Still heavy though, still heavy, still definitely heavy. So I really like how it came out. It's just the fact that I need more LECA and the mouse pole is a little bit crooked. So we're gonna have to fix that. But for right now, I think it'll do. That does bring me to the end of today's video. Give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until my next video, bye guys. You know what, April? Oh. This plant right now because it's all tangled up. Oh my god, don't hit my camera, don't hit my camera. Don't hit my camera, don't hit my camera, don't hit my... Oh my god. Oh my god, this shit is so crooked. Oh my god, April, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Somebody fucking kill me.